वलीबा आ जाओ वलीबा यस यस वलीबा ठीक
Next chief guest of ours is Hazrat Maulana Sufi Waliba Qadri, President of Karnataka Sufi Saint Organization, Kannada Ratna Awardee. Key to you, sir. I call upon our chairman, sir, to felicitate our chief guest.
सर एक मिनट इधर है ओके ओके सर थैंक यू सर सर बाजू खड़ा कर ले इनको ऐसा ऐसा सर हाथ छोड़ो
Undoubtedly, you are.
ये बात से ले रहे हैं उनका फोटो ले रहे हैं
The true essence of Indian culture, we are opening the doors for the brightness to enter our life. Like every other
This evening as I school. World down the road, walking forth is the only plight, because we didn't come this far to come this far only, is all that we knew. Since the very existence is the ambition of marching forward till excellence is achieved in all endeavors. Through the education that we on to the need of the society, by preparing young minds who will go out into the world, in this world, through their value-based lives and activity. The school provides a curriculum, subject-based curriculum, which caters well for the pupils of all, and a provision of wide range of extracurricular and co-curricular activities make effective confidence. I particularly acknowledge the yeoman service rendered by the chairman, secretary, staff, higher primary 300 and high school with 250 students, 40 teaching faculties and 12 supportive staff. The management, however, has been catering equally to all the basic education requirement of all children of all communities, and it is managed and governed by Supreme Educational Cultural Trust, comprising a team of efficient and successful individuals. The school has helped several batches of students to pass out the SSLC board in flying colors in the previous years. Excellence is the hallmark. Excellence in the academic is the hallmark of a good institution. Class 10 proves without an iota of doubt that our students have made us proud. This remarkable achievement is a reaffirmation of the dedication and inspiration of the faculty members and students' body working together in tandem. The achievement of Manahil English High School in the field of academics, co-curricular, extracurricular and extension activities speaks volume about the growth and development of this institution. The workshop on 22nd June by Mr. Venkat, Subject Inspector from DDPI Office. August by Mrs. Usha Ravi, a great psychiatrist who helped our institution on a renewal of commitment to the noble mission. In an earnest attempt to lend a green Vanamahotsava on 4th July 2019. The celebration was an ideal opportunity to instill the value of social responsibility amongst the students towards safeguarding trees and forests. Students take the first taste of democracy and leadership qualities through voting systems. Leadership is action, not position. A team of new student council were given the honor of captain and prefects of the school. Hard work. We give ample opportunities to all our students to develop their leadership qualities. The cabinet inaugural was held in July, where Master Venkana, 10th grade, sworn in as captain. Environment free of pollution, dengue awareness rally by our student was taken. The spirit of patriotism is aflame in every heart. When the stage was set on 15th August 2019, the chairman and chief guest unfurled the national flag. After a trim march past, the crackers split the silence and pigeons flew, army force and many monuments, etc. Teachers' Day is another ceremony of presentation. Love and Respect Creativity by School Cabinet on 5th September. The day was followed by special days were conducted to make the children aware of different subject matter and to inculcate the social bond and love. All work and no play makes regular activities are held to develop a child physically, morally, socially. So the student took part in handwriting, spell bee painting, drawing, quiz, Mehndi competition conducted by Kavadata, E-Nourish and Yakult Energy Drink. To be a great champ, keep on trying it. Sports competition inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship. amongst the student and prepare them for the life ahead. Our students actively participated in different sports competition and houses which represent as ruby, emerald, sapphire and topaz. To prepare the student for exams, the academic year will conclude with a voyage to become global citizen and light the flame of knowledge. Parent-teacher meet is parents personally discuss their ward's academic problems and behavioral issues with the teachers and will conclude together makes this world a beautiful garden. The staff put up an excellent show of their talent in November. Children looked best in their colorful attire. Teachers made this day a memorable day. Black educational officer. The day concluded with a blessing and New Year. I don't call it violence when it in self-defense. I call it intelligence. Be an opponent, not a victim. Creating awareness for parents and 15 gifts for teachers. Ideas shapes the course of history. As the pen is mightier than sword, the school magazine hinosis and helps in developing power of writing the budding writers. The magazine also highlights the success and achievement of the school students. Many milestones have personalities with confidence and zeal befitting the standard of this portal of education. This is the report of our combined efforts and endeavor that took place in this institution during the year. On this, all our achievements to the committed efforts of a committed team called Manahil English High School. I thank God for entrusting those lovely children to our women. I conclude this report by expressing heartfelt and sincere thanks to our chairman, secretary, board members, teachers and professionals and kind cooperation to make this venture to a great success. Thank you very much. I hope you all will enjoy today's program being present by
Thank you very much, ma'am. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shriman Chief Justice, Honorable Justice.
ಬದಲು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಇರೋದು ಬರೀ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು, ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆದ ಮಾತು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮಾತು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಉರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಭಾಳ ಮಹತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಓದುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಾವು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಹತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓದಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬರೀ SLC ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ತನಕ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತನಕ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದತ್ರ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅವರ ಮುಂದೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಭಾಳ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ ಗಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಮ್. ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಖಾನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಡಿಟರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಥ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಬಯಸ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಆಗಲಿ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಯಾರು ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಓದಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು.
जुड़े हुए हैं तो क्या यहाँ पर आप मैसेज दे रहे हैं सर?
देखिए, तालीम इंसान की ज़रूरत है. तालीम के बग़ैर इंसान की ज़िंदगी मुकम्मल नहीं होती. तालीम ही है जो इंसान की ज़िंदगी में तब्दीली लाती है. तो तालीम ज़रूरत है, मगर समाज में अलग अलग तबक़ों में तालीम की कमी है. ये बरसों से ये समाज में अलग अलग जो समाज में फ़िरक़े हैं या कम्युनिटीज़ हैं, उनमें थोड़े कम्युनिटीज़ फॉरवर्ड हो गए हैं एजुकेशन में, छोटे कम्युनिटीज़ पीछे रह गए हैं. और ये मानी हुई बात है कि ख़ासकर माइनॉरिटीज़ हिंदुस्तान में पार्टीशन के बाद सबसे पीछे तालीम के मैदान में. तो कोशिश हो रही है, नहीं कि कोशिश नहीं हो रही है. 47 के बाद, पार्टीशन के दौर के बाद सर सैयद की एक तहरीक थी. उसके बाद बहुत दिनों तक कोई तहरीक नहीं. माइनॉरिटीज़ बहुत बैकवर्ड थे, माइनॉरिटीज़ खासकर मुसलमान, जिसका आप उसका अंदाज़ा सच्चर कमेटी में कहा गया है कि तालीमी सतह पर हिंदुस्तान का मुसलमान शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब से भी पीछे है. मगर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम उसको देख के खामोश रहें. हुकूमत भी जो करना है कर रही है. कौम में वो बेदारी पैदा होना चाहिए. वो बेदारी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पैदा हो गई है. ये एक ज़िंदा मिसाल है जो आज यहाँ ये स्कूल, इन्होंने 27 साल से, मुझे अभी मालूम हुआ कि 27 साल से 27वां एनुअल डे है इनका, 27 साल से मुकम्मल किए हैं. तो अभी बहुत ज़रूरत है, मगर बेदारी पैदा हुए, इंस्टीट्यूशंस आ रहे हैं. तो बड़ी खुशी की बात है.
आपका कहना है कि सर सैयद अहमद खान के तर्ज पर एक और तहरीक की ज़रूरत है.
तहरीक
क्या हालात है?
नहीं, तहरीक शुरू हुई. अब देखिए 70 के दहे में, 60s 70s 80s में अल-अमीन तहरीक सारे हिंदुस्तान में काम की. वो तहरीक लेके हर जगह वहाँ पर मदरसे शुरू हुए. हर जगह अल-अमीन तहरीक मदरसे शुरू करने का नहीं, आवाम में बेदारी लाने का. अब जैसा देखें तो अब जगह, अब नॉर्थ इंडिया में बेदारी बिल्कुल ज़ीरो थी. आज वहाँ भी मदरसे बन रहे हैं, वहाँ भी कॉलेज आ रहे हैं, वहाँ भी मेडिकल कॉलेज आ रहे हैं सब. तो बेदारी पैदा हो गई है, मगर अभी बहुत पीछे है, आगे जाना चाहिए.
थैंक यू सर.
मतलब बरकत जी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. आज की महफिल सजाई गई है. 20 पर 7वां एनुअल डे है हमारा. 20 पर 7 साल का अरसा गुजर चुका है. 20 पर 7 साल का अरसा गुजर चुका है. अब जबकि बिगनिंग में हमारा 0 पॉइंट का था, कुछ नहीं था. 30 बच्चों में हम इंशाल्लाह ये कर रहे हैं. अब मालिक की मेहरबानी से एक लहजा सर. ಹಲೋ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 27 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮನಾಯಿಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 27 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ 30 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದರು. ಆ 30 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 1700 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬಾಧೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬಾಧೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ 2 ಮಾತು ನಾನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್.
सर ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಹತ್ರ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ पीछे आ जाओ, साथ में आ जाओ सर, साथ में आ जाओ सर. चलो साथ में.
सर मुझे बड़ी सर.
सर इकडे ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ इकडे हरून
Our Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Justice Sir Dr. Jawad Rahim Sir to share a few words with us.
ये बैठा करना एक ले लो जी
Good evening to everybody, particularly the young children who have made successful, then to the parents and other dignitaries. I'm really very glad that I'm sharing the dais with the Honorable Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Rahman Khan Sahab, Allah Bakhai, the corporators of the jurisdiction, and other dignitaries. My association with this institution has, and I have seen this institution grow with Anchal Sahab and his son Salim. The principal is a backbone of the institution who regulates, manages and administers the institution, and really it is a matter of pleasure to know that when this institution was established, a couple of students came, parents were hesitant, and that hesitation disappeared within a year when the results of the institution came in. Is part of the academic curriculum, but what is important is you can understand what he misses. A person trying to catch a train which is at 8:50 to participate in the Olympics, ask him what is the value of a words by punishment. I've taken this, you see the changing scenario in the country. Time does not wait, situations do not wait. They keep changing by time, and time is therefore important. The example is the electronic goods. You buy a television set or 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs or 1 lakh. You go to the market condition, the offer will be to purchase it for half a price. This is all because of the change of time. Therefore, dear students, I will only request you, maintain your schedule of work, decide what you have to do, when you have to do, and I am sure you will find it very easy even to pass your examinations. If you plan to read mathematics between 5 to 6, and if you leave it and start reading history, you know the impact of mind is, the first impression that your mind had was you are going to study maths. But suddenly you open a history book, the mind takes time to understand your change. See, mind is reflection of what you desire. Therefore, we plead with you all, young children, that as a part of discipline, you must first inculcate keeping the time. If you promise somebody, I'll come at 5, you should be there at 5, before 5. You know, this is to not anybody else's advantage. It is to our own advantage. The example I can give you to show importance of this is the Bangalore traffic. If you start at 7 o'clock in the morning, you have free go on roads. If you delay and start at 10 o'clock, you find the same journey more from half an hour to 1.5 hours. So there is a loss of time by our own doing because we have started late from home. And this is equally with the you ask Dr. Almas, who is present on the diet over the National Green Tribunal. We used to see by our own delays in releasing the judgments, delay in hearing the matters, many lives have been ruined. Therefore, it is time that we value the time. Now I shall come to the importance of what your education is, and everybody has been talking about. Education is nothing but our own acquisition.
Nawaz.
You buy a property, it may be lost. You buy a property, it may be amenable for division in your family, relatives. But education that you acquire is a self-acquired property which will not be amenable to any division, any claim from whomsoever. It is not necessary that you qualify.
अल्लाह ताला भी पहले हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम भी कहे हैं कि अगर तालीम हासिल करना तो चीन तक जाकर हासिल करो। तो आज मैं हमारे माँ बहनों से ही करता हूँ, यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चों को पढ़ाइए और उनको एक मुकम्मल इंसान बनाइए। मैं क्योंकि वक्त की कमी है, आप अपने बच्चों का जो मुजाहरे अब देखने के आए हैं, हमारे तकरीर सुनने के लिए आप यहाँ नहीं आए। बच्चे आज परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उनकी कैलिबर दिखा रहे हैं, उनके स्किल दिखा रहे हैं, उनको देखने के लिए आज आप तमाम यहाँ आए हैं। मैं आप तमाम को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि आपके बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं और ये तालीम की तरफ तवज्जो दीजिए। मैं इन जनाब नवाब जान कुरैशी साहब, सलीम पाशा और जो भी बोर्ड ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है इसमें स्कूल की, उनको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। अल्लाह उनको इसमें तरक्की दे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इदारे की खिदमत की और मिल्लत की और कौम की और मुल्क की खिदमत करें। शुक्रिया।
Sir, to share a few words with us.
के इस बेहतरीन स्टेज पे मौजूद सलीम पाशा साहब और ख़ास तौर पर स्कूल के प्रमोटर जनाब माँ बहनों बुजुर्गों के इस स्कूल से इस मुल्क की तकदीर बनाने वाले इस स्कूल से बाहर निकलेंगे। मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस समाज के वो रोशन जहन रखने वाले बच्चे इस स्कूल से निकलेंगे और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि स्कूल से जो बच्चे आगे निकलेंगे, ये बच्चे पूरी दुनिया में, पूरे मुल्क में अपना नाम रोशन करेंगे। और मैं आपसे इतनी इल्तिजा करना चाहूँगा कि आपके बच्चे और बच्ची को दोनों को एक निगाह से देखें। उनके मुस्तकबिल के लिए एक ही तरीके का आपका सपोर्ट, आपका ताउन और आपका जो भी आप उनके लिए फ़ैसला करते हैं, दोनों को एक निगाह से देखते हुए करें। इतना कहते हुए आगे कोई और वक्त आएगा, हम सब मिलकर बात करेंगे। मैं अपनी बात ख़त्म करता हूँ। खुदा हाफिज़। थैंक यू।
I would like to welcome in particular our dignitaries, Honorable Dr. Justice Jawad Rahim sir, Mr. Rahman Khan sir, Rizwan Arshad sir, Mr. MC Srinivas sir, and all the dignitaries who are present here on this dais. And with this, a very warm welcome to all the parents and students of this institution. As I can see, many parents are eager to witness the cultural programs of the kids. But this is the important session where we have all the dignitaries, and we are really thankful for these dignitaries to be on this dais and accepting our invitation. In spite of the busy schedule, when there was an invitation from our school, it was being accepted. So we are really very much thankful to the dignitaries and would like to thank them with a round of applause, parents. Yes, parents, with a round of applause to the dignitaries. Yes. And with this, as all the parents, you are aware about the quality of the education what Manahil gives. We into Manahil try to give individual attention to each and every student and try to focus on the all-round development of every student. As you know, today it's the 27th year of our annual day, and on this occasion we are once again proud to declare that we have many alumni of the school, the students, those who have gone out from this institution years ago, those who have completed their degrees, graduations, and of course we have got some of the students, those who have written their IAS exams. We are really proud on these students that Manahil is giving definitely a very good citizens to the nation, a very good student to the parent, and definitely a very good student to the students of the teachers. And we are really proud on all these things. Of course, all the parents, those who are here, are aware that school always follows modern methods of technologies. We always try to implement all the new technologies for the betterment of the students. And of course, as this 27th year, we are once again happy and we are once again blessed with God to declare that this year Manahil is once again planning to start its pre-university. If God's will and wish is there, we shall start pre-university this academic year itself. Are you all not proud, the parents, for this? Then definitely you should join your hands with a round of applause. Yes, this shows that all my parents, those who are here, are with us always. And I had lots and lots to speak, but as we are running short of the time, I would like to conclude myself once again thanking all the dignitaries, parents, invited guests for the function. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Moving this year too in academics as well as sports. The performance of our children have been spectacular. Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must win and expect to win.
Absolute pleasure to present to you the achievement of our children in academics and extracurriculum. I am delighted to inform you all that our mission has always been and will always be to create the most conducive learning environment for our children. This school is designed to be the school of future, which focuses on personalized learning where every child learns at their own pace, integration of technology as a discipline throughout the school, and broadening the extracurriculum offerings. The better future. Here at Manahil English High School, we not only value our academics but also our creative tendency and cultivate it into something great which stays with you for the lifetime. And position, thereby increasing the chance of sustaining in give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students. Future for the prize distribution ceremony.
I call our chairman, sir, to share a few words with us.
की कमी की वजह से मैं प्रोग्राम को इजाद करने की इजाज़त देता हूं, क्योंकि वक्त बहुत फास्ट निकल गया है। पेरेंट्स मुझे बहुत देर से इंतज़ारी कर रहे हैं। मुझे अपने बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल क्या है, ये बच्चों की मुस्तकबिल के लिए बहुत से पेरेंट बेताब हैं। उनके बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखने के लिए मैं उनका भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ, जो भी अपना कीमती वक्त मुझे दे करके इस प्रोग्राम में शामिल हुए हैं, मेरी इज्जत अफजाई करके इन लोगों का मैं फर्दन शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। मैं वक्त की कमी की वजह से अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, खुदा हाफिज़।
has won first prize in 300 meters running race. Udayshri of 10th standard has won first prize in sack race competition. Mariam Abdul Salim, who has won first prize in essay writing competition in Hindi. Won first prize in debate in Kannada. Aisha Fareed we have Mastan of 10th standard. Sumaya Taj has won first prize in 300 meters. Akbar Yunus of 10th standard has won first prize in sack race competition.